Adriana, and I'm going to teach you how to prepare omelette. The ingredients are 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon oil, 1 teaspoon butter, 1 small onion, 1 small red pepper, bacon, pinched salt and pepper, and grated mozzarella cheese. It's very easy to prepare. We have the step 1. First, whisk the eggs with salt and pepper. Step 2. Dice the onion, red pepper, and bacon. Step 3. Heat the oil and butter in a non-stick frying pan over a medium-low heat until the butter has melted. Then saute the onion, red pepper, and bacon for about 30 seconds. Step 4. Pour the eggs mixture into the pan and let it cook for about 1 minute over a low heat. Then fold the eggs by half with a spatula and let it cook until well done. And finally, we have step 5. Serve it and add the grated cheese and enjoy.